Got some Galaxy S8 screen protectors in. The first one is from Foxman. This is a flexible kind where you would peel, or where you would put the back on and then peel off the front, and it should curve to the edges of the screen. So it's like a hard plastic, dry install, not wet install, so you won't get that that peeling, that orange peeling kind of feel. Second one is this one's from a company called Kudos. So right there. Full screen protection. Bottom, top, edges. The nice part about this one is that because it has that black going all the way across, it might actually limit the halo effect of the S8. So let's see what happens with this one. This next one is pretty similar. So it actually looks the same as this one, except the only difference is if you look at the top right there, it's one larger hole, whereas this one is two smaller ones. But other than that, they look pretty much the same. So that'll be interesting to see which one works better. But this is a full coverage S8 Plus screen protector. So when the phone comes in, I will be installing that. And then this is actually a USB-C cable. But the reason I want to point this out is because I think these are actually one of the best sets of cables that I've got before, or I've seen. So this comes in a carabiner style keychain. So that is actually really nice. So you can have this as part of your keychain, or just hook it on to somewhere in your backpack. And then it also comes with the longer version. I really like how the cable is braided, so it's going to last you a while, and it's not gonna crack. And then you also get this nice leather kind of strap holder right here. So this is actually really nice. So I don't know if you know, if you guys have like EDC carry kits or something, or like a little go bag that has cables and chargers and power banks and stuff. But if you do, I think these are probably some great cables to carry around. So if you're interested in these, links are down below. All this stuff I'll be testing out as soon as the S8 Plus comes in, which will be later this week. So check out the channel for an update when the phone comes in with all these accessories and how they hold up. Like with these cables, I'll test to make sure they support fast charging, which I believe they do. And then with all these screen protectors, we'll make sure that they get installed and see if they cause a halo effect, or if there's any like touch issues or anything like that. So thanks for watching.